Oh my god, that's ugly. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica, and in today's video I am going to be talking about my two favorite drugstore mascaras. One of them I've been using for a while, and then the other one I just bought it because at Ulta they had buy one get one 50% off. Even though I have tried a similar mascara to it before, I actually had to re-record this video because in my last video I had lipstick all over my teeth and I didn't notice until I was like trying to edit it. And yeah, so anyways, it's not gonna be a long video, I'm hoping. But the first mascara is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. You guys can kind of, yeah. And then this is the one actually that I've been using for a while already. I was using the one that was in the little black tube, but for some reason they didn't have it, so I was like, it's the same thing, I'm guessing it's gonna do the same thing. And it is in the color Blackest Black. It says 910, but then underneath it says S600, so I don't know which one is like the real color, but Blackest Black. And yeah, so let me show you guys the brush real quick. So it is more like of a rubbery brush, I guess you could say, and then it has like the little like piquitos sticking out, and I find it useful, at least for me, because I like to separate, or I like my eyelashes to look like separated and stuff like that, so I feel like this one really helps with that, and it also makes them look longer. I don't know about you guys, but I used to wear like 5 different mascaras. I don't know why, but I would use one for like volume, one to separate, one to length, like I don't know, it was just, I was just doing the most. But now I just use at least like maybe like 2. Oh, you know, okay. And then I am gonna be like trying it on my eyelashes so that you guys can see what it looks like. And then the other one is the also L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar, and this is like a 2-step mascara. The first step is like the primer, and then the second one is the mascara, and this one is also in the color Blackest Black. Yeah, so I mean, these mascaras were not that expensive. One of them, I don't remember which one, but one of them was $11.99. The other one was $10.99. So you ended up getting one for like $5.50, I guess. So like 2 for $17, which isn't too bad. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. I'll be doing the Voluminous Superstar on my left eye and the telescopic one on my right eye. So let's see. Okay. Oh, I didn't even show you guys the brush for this one, but yeah, I mean, it's white, it's like a primer, I guess that's what it said online. And then I was thinking it just, because once you apply it, like your eyelashes kind of do look like more voluminous, I guess you could say. So I think that's what this one is for. It probably has like little fibers or something like that in the mascara. And then, oh, I just wanted to tell you guys, I just wanted to show you guys my little mirror. Don't mind like all this shit in the background, you can see, but it has like the little Eiffel Tower in here, and it's just like a really cute mirror, and I got it at Ross for $10.99. So yeah, let's do this. And I had to like take my mascara off. So if my eye looks like a little funky, it's because I like literally just wiped my eye off, or like the mascara off of my eye to have to like redo this video. And my eyelashes don't always cooperate, so siempre duro bien mucho. Okay, I'll show you guys right now what it looks like with the white though. So it's not focusing, but so yeah, I mean, automatically you could see, like, compared to my other eyelashes, you know, they look just like very long. And then let's use the second side, and then this one does have like a little curve to it, so both of these brushes are like bristles, or I don't know how to explain it, but to me they look more like they're like the traditional ones, like the ones that I was kind of used to growing up with, like this kind of like a brush, versus the other one I feel like it's a newer style. I mean, not like new, but like something that came out more recently. crazy. Wait. Okay. I think that's as best as they're gonna get. Oh, let me do the bottom ones too. I normally use like a different mascara for my bottom eyelashes, but I use the MAC mascara, so I'm just gonna use this one to show you guys. Sorry if my eye looks a little black, but okay. So that's that, and then let me do this one really quick. Like I said, I feel like this one definitely separates them a lot more. Oh my god, that lighting. Okay, let me see. Let me get close. So, I don't know if you guys can see, but like these ones, to me, it look like it has more mascara. Yeah, I mean, I guess that's really the only thing. It looks like they have more mascara. I mean, they are like long, but not like super long. And then these ones, I mean, I feel like they look long, but they also look like a little bit more spread out. So I think that's why also I like to use both of these mascaras, or like even other combinations of mascaras together, because I'll use one to like make them have volume, but then I'll use like the telescopic one to like try to spread them out and give them more length. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. These are my two favorite mascaras as of right now. If you guys have any favorite mascaras, please comment it down below. I would love to see what kind of mascaras you guys like, and then maybe try it out for myself. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching.